This is another example of practice resource, a special category of digital resources for learning. In this particular resource, students practice a procedure of dismantling a water pump. What we see on the screen here is a cross-section of a typical water pump, and by moving the cursor across the water cross-section, we can see the names of different parts. If we don't know what to do, we just click, and the hint tells us begin by separating suction from the casing. So we have to locate where is the suction. In this case, is here. Here it is, and we need a spanner. So this is the spanner. We have all the other tools. We need to select the right tool for the right job. Select the spanner, and then we will be able to separate the suction. The next thing would be to find where the bearing caps are somewhere here, and we still use the spanner, so select spanner and remove the bearing cap. The next thing would be to unscrew the lock nut, so from the shaft, so this is a shaft and lock nut is somewhere there we are. So we need to select this particular tool called box spanner and remove the lock nut, and in this manner we continue removing the parts until whole pump is dismantled, and then we can attempt to put the pump back together in reverse order as we dismantle it. So the practice of the procedure in way of experimenting with this environment, finding the right tool and right parts that needs to be removed.